Thinset isn't glue. It's a bonding mortar designed to mechanically lock tile to a properly prepared surface. And it's engineered to perform at a specific thickness, not as a leveling compound, not as a patch, and definitely not in blobs. When thinset is applied too thick, it can lose strength as it cures. When it's blobbed or spot bonded, it leaves voids. Those voids create hollow areas under the tile. And hollow areas concentrate stress. Over time, that stress becomes cracks, loose tile, or water intrusion. Proper thinset use starts before the bag is even opened. First, the substrate has to be flat and structurally sound. Thinset is not designed to fix framing issues, dips in floors, or bowed walls. That work should be done beforehand with proper prep materials. Second, the mortar has to be keyed into the substrate. That means using the flat side of the trowel to burn it into the surface so it bonds mechanically. Third, the mortar needs to be directional troweled with the correct notch size for the tile being installed. The goal isn't coverage that looks good. The goal is achieving industry-required coverage, especially in wet areas. Then the ridges must be collapsed properly when the tile is set. That's how you eliminate voids and get the bond strength the system was designed for. In some cases, a medium bed or large format mortar is required. In other cases, leveling or flattening needs to happen before tile installation begins. These decisions matter, and they're rarely explained clearly to homeowners. Thinset is just one component of a much larger system: substrate prep, waterproofing, movement joints, product selection. When one part is misunderstood, the whole system can fail. That's where Home Tile and Stone comes in. We don't sell materials. We don't install tile. We help you understand the system before you build, so you can hire confidently, select the right products, and protect your investment from preventable failure. If you're building or remodeling, don't rely on blind faith. Understand the system first. Home Tile and Stone, link below.